Namaste everyone, welcome to Amsa. Today we are going to look at how to do Padma Mayurasana and benefits. Before that, if you are a new visitor to our channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon and you are not going to miss any videos from our channel. Padma Mayurasana is done by assuming the lotus pose. It is an advanced yoga pose. It requires a lot of good strength of the arms along with good sense of balance. Let us see what are the contraindication of Padma Mayurasana. The people who are suffering from high blood pressure should avoid this, and recently surgery to the abdominal chest region. And women should also avoid this during the menstruation and during the pregnancy. Let us see how to do Padma Mayurasana. Begin by coming into Dandasana. Now, right foot place it on the left thigh and left foot place it on the right thigh. This is complete Padmasana. Once you assume Padmasana with the support of the hands, slowly stand on the knees in Padmasana. Both palms on the floor, fingertips should pointing towards the knees. Palms and the elbows together, bend the elbows and lean forward, place them over the center of the abdomen or near the navel region. Now slowly lean forward, place the forehead on the mat and try to lift the legs in the lotus pose above the ground. Maintain here as long as possible as comfortable. This is technique 1. Try to practice this technique once by daily for the more times to achieve the Padma Mayurasana. Once you able to practice the technique 1, practice the technique 2. Let us see how to practice the technique 2. After practicing the technique 1, now slowly try to lift the forehead from the mat. Try to maintain the balance as long as possible, as comfortable. The legs should be parallel to the ground. Now slowly drop your legs and slowly lean back to the lotus pose. Benefits of Padma Mayurasana. It improves the digestion, remove the constipation, improve the function of pancreas, and cure the alignment of stomach. It strengthens the back, torso, and the legs, reduce the cough problems. Persons suffering from diabetes will find this pose beneficial. It tones the abdominals, makes abdominal more stronger. It strengthens the wrist and the forearm. So follow these two techniques and apply this in your practicing of Padma Mayurasana. And this is for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and the family. And thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste.